Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix silent notifications on Android. Silent notifications on Android phone can cause you to miss important alerts from apps and messages. This issue is often related to notification settings, sound modes, or app permissions. This guide will walk you through how to fix silent notifications on your Android device. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Tap Sound and Vibration. Make sure your phone is not set to silent or vibrate only. Increase the notification volume slider. Go back and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Go to All Apps. Choose the app that has silent notifications. Tap Notifications. Ensure Allow Notifications is turned on. Go to Notification Styles or Category. Tap a notification category, for example, messages, alerts, or chats. Set it to sound or alerting instead of silent. Now tap on sound. Choose a notification sound if none is selected. Go back to settings and tap Do Not Disturb. Make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off or properly configured. Restart your phone to apply the changes. Tip: check app specific settings, as some apps have their own notification sound controls.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.